Today, we celebrate World Wetlands Day by learning about their importance and how to protect them. Let's get started. Step 1. Learn about wetlands like marshes, swamps and bogs. These ecosystems filter water, prevent floods, and provide habitats for countless species. Step 2. Discover their role as the Earth's kidneys. Wetlands clean water, store carbon, and help fight climate change. Explore famous wetlands like the Everglades or Sundarbans. Step 3. Build a wetland model with soil, water, and plants to see how they filter water and support life. Step 4. Get creative by drawing or painting a wetland scene with animals and plants. Add a message about why protecting wetlands matters. Step 5. Take action. Visit a local wetland or discuss how to protect them by reducing water waste, avoiding litter, and planting native plants. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Environmental awareness. Understanding wetlands' vital role. Hands-on learning. Observing how wetlands function. Responsibility. Taking small steps to protect nature. Celebrate World Wetlands Day by fostering curiosity and care for our planet.